Ever come across something online that instantly pulls you in with nostalgia and cool visuals? That's exactly what happens when you land on the Hapeaster website and see their Sky Dreamer windmill. It's marketed as this magical garden piece that brings back childhood memories with smooth spinning blades, bright hand-painted colors, and strong all-weather steel that's supposed to last for years. The whole idea is simple but appealing. Add a unique, eye-catching centerpiece to your backyard that moves beautifully with the wind. And then comes the hook, a flat 50% discount, making it feel like you're getting something special at a steal price. Before we go further, here's a quick disclaimer. This video is for educational and awareness purposes only. We do not promote or endorse any products or supplements shown. All opinions are based on public information and red flags that may suggest misleading or unsafe marketing. Now, here's where things start to shift a bit. At first glance, everything looks polished and convincing, especially the product images and descriptions. But once you step outside the website and check independent feedback, the story changes. There's only a single review on Trustpilot, and it doesn't match the dreamy picture painted by the site. According to that review, the product shown in ads looks fully 3D and detailed, almost like a real miniature aircraft. But what actually arrived was something completely different, flat printed metal sheets that needed assembly and didn't come close to the advertised look. That's not just a small difference, that's a completely different experience. Another thing to notice is how new the website is. It was registered on February 25, 2026. Now, being new isn't automatically bad, but it does mean there's no real history, no long-term customer feedback, and no proven reliability. You're basically trusting a brand that just showed up. Then there's the discount. A huge 50% off right from the start might feel exciting, but it can also be a pressure tactic. New websites offering massive discounts often do it to push quick sales before buyers have time to question things. If you look closely at the visuals, some of the images don't seem original. They appear to be reused or taken from other sources, which raises concerns about whether the product shown is truly what you'll receive. The lack of proper contact details is another issue. There's no phone number, no physical address, just basic email forms. That means if something goes wrong, you may not have a reliable way to reach out or resolve the issue. Even the legal pages feel incomplete, like they're just there for formality, rather than actually providing clear and transparent information about how the business operates. And in a time where even small brands stay active on platforms like Instagram or Facebook, the absence of any social media presence makes the whole setup feel a bit disconnected and harder to trust. So when you put everything together, the product itself might look fun and appealing, but the gap between marketing and reality, and along with the lack of transparency, raises some valid concerns. It doesn't mean everyone will have a bad experience, but it definitely means you should think twice before placing an order. At the end of the day, it's always better to slow down, check real reviews, and avoid getting carried away by visuals and big discounts. If something feels slightly off, it's worth paying attention to that feeling.